everyone to be with us till the end of the session. To start with the panel, the discussions, may I ask from Prabhat, how do you elaborate what is stress and how do you define stress?
Thank you, Vijita. Actually, when you run out the stress, actually we feel pressure. No, stress is our body's response to pressure from a situation or life event, or it is a feeling of emotion or physical tension, and it is our body's way of responding to any kind of demand or threat. Stress can hugely vary from person to person, and it differs according to our social and economic circumstances, the environment and we live in, and our genetic makeup. Actually, there are two types of stress in our life. One is acute stress, and other one is chronic stress. Acute stress is the short-term stress that goes away quickly. All people, we have acute stress at one time or another. And chronic stress is that lasts for a longer period time. You may have chronic stress if you have money problems, unhappy marriage, or trouble at work. Any type of stress that goes on for weeks or months is chronic stress. If you don't find ways to manage chronic stress, it may lead to health problems. So there are two sides of stress in our life. One side is positive and other one side is negative. If we take positive side of stress, it always enables our concentration and increase performance, and it helps to energize our interaction. So if we have negative stress, it always lose our motivation, it reduce our effectiveness, and it affect for our mental and behavioral problems. So when if I'm talking about the negative stress, the reason is we think always why me? Why is my relationship not working? Why did I lose my phone? Why is my family so difficult? Why am I sick? Why do people treat me poorly? Like that, we always think why me? Until we think in that manner, why me? Always we have negative stress. And we cannot eliminate stress, but we can learn how to manage it well and use it to help us. So when we ready for the exam, we know we have a deadline, we have a task to do it. So we take that as a positive stress. So we work on a plan, we know the deadline, we work hard and pass the exam. That's how work in a positive stress. So, and there are health problems caused by stress in our life. If I tell few health problems in our life, and one is the depression and anxiety, any kind of pains, sleeping problems, digestive problems, heart disease and weight problems, thinking and memory problems, because some people have thinking and memory problems. They don't know what they are doing, and there are causes for the stress. Uh, those are uh, those are the internal and external causes. If we take common external causes of stress include major life changes, work or school, relationship difficulties, financial problems, being too busy, and children and family. So like that, if you come to the uh, internal causes, internal causes of stress include pessimism, inability to accept uncertainty, rigid thinking, unrealistic expectations, or nothing attitude. So those are the things in internal, those are things we can take as internal causes of the stress.
Okay.
And
As
as
per
per the literature done in the stress, as per the literature done in stress, there are 10 stressful life events. One is the death of spouse, divorce, marriage separation, imprisonment, death of close family member, injury of or illness, marriage, job loss, marriage and retirement. Like that. How finally I would like to talk about us. What are the things that can be affected by the stressful situation in our day-to-day life? So those are the things we can easily understand, and we can easily notify that. And stress at work, job loss, so unemployment stress, financial stress, and caregiver stress, and sorrow and loss. So I think now you have a very good idea about stress and what are the main stress types and positive and negative stress and health problems, internal and external causes of the stress, and 10 stressful life events, and finally how those things affect for our day-to-day life.
Okay. As per the explanation from Prabhat, the stress is affecting your body and mind. So as a